In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Microsoft Teams. This is an essential skill for anyone who uses Teams regularly, whether for work, study, or even managing a project. So, let's dive right in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First, open the Microsoft Teams application on your device. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do so using your work, school, or personal account. Once inside, you'll be greeted by the Teams interface. This is your main hub, where you can access all your Teams, channels, and chats. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's new to you. Next, you'll want to decide the destination for your file. Navigate over to the Teams tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the teams that you belong to. Each team may have several channels. Select the specific channel where you want to upload your file. Keep in mind that selecting the right channel is crucial, as this is where the file will be seen and accessed by your team members. Once you're inside the desired channel, look for the Files tab at the top of the screen. Clicking on this tab will take you to the channel's file library. This is where all the shared documents for the channel reside. On this page, you're going to see an option that says Upload. Click on it to bring up the File Upload dialog. You'll now be prompted with a file selection window that will allow you to choose the file you wish to upload from your computer. Navigate through your folders to find your file, and once you've located it, click on it and then select Open. This action will initiate the upload process. Once the upload starts, you should see a progress bar indicating that your file is being transferred to Microsoft Teams. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this process can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Just be patient and let it complete. There's nothing more to do here but wait for it to finish. After the file has successfully uploaded, it will appear in the channel's file list. You can now click on the file to open or preview it directly within Teams. Share a comment with your teammates to give them some context or instructions about the file you've uploaded. This is especially helpful if your team relies heavily on shared resources and needs to remain well informed about new updates. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Microsoft Teams. This simple process makes it easy to share important documents with your team and keep everyone on the same page. Learning these small but crucial skills can greatly increase your productivity and ensure seamless collaboration within any team. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel confident in uploading files on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.